Hey everyone, today we're going to have a look at Introduction to Binomial Products. To start off with, we're going to review the distributive law. And if you remember, distributive law, if we have a number times b plus c, well that's equal to the number times b plus the number times c. So just recapping how this actually works in terms of ordinary numbers. So let's say we had 5 and we're multiplying it by 23. Now chances are you haven't worked out or you haven't memorized your 23 times tables, but you do probably know your fives. So this works in a way that we can say 20 plus 3. 23 is 20 plus 3. Now, I can say 5 times 20. I can probably work that out. I'm going to add that to 5 times 3. 5 times 20, I can actually say as 5 times 10, and I'm doubling it. Okay, which 5 times 10 is 50, double it, 100. Okay, 5 times 3 is 15, so I'm adding 15. And my answer is 115. So 5 times 23 is 115. So this is just a simple application of how we use the distributive law. Another example, let's say we have 7 times, let's say 52. Okay, we can actually say 7 times 50 plus 2. So 7 times 50 plus 7 times 2. 7 times 50, well, that's 7 times 5, which is 35 times 10, plus 7 times 2. Our answer is 364. Alright, so that's basically a little application of using the distributive law in terms of multiplying any kind of number. The problem, however, comes when we're multiplying two-digit numbers by a two-digit number. So let's say 23 times 42. You could still work it out the same way, 23 times 40 plus 2. However, you probably don't really know what 23 times 40 is quite quickly. Fortunately, there is a solution to working this out, and that's by splitting up the 23 as well. And this time we get two sets of brackets. Now, unfortunately, it isn't as easy as the other one, but what we say is this first number that we split it up is going to be multiplied by the second bracket. And then we add the second number times the same sets of brackets. Okay, and as you can see, we have two lots of the distributive law that we just used before. 20 times 40, or 2 times 4 is 8, 2 zeros, plus 20 times 3, 3 times 40, 3 times 3. Now adding them together, Okay, 989. Alright, so that's basically another way of working out where or how to use the distributive law by multiplying by two numbers. I'll do one more example of this. Let's say 15 times 37. Split up the 15 and split up the 37. And I say the first number times the second lot of brackets. The second number times the second lot of brackets again. Use our distributive law like usual. So 10 times 30 plus 10 times 7. And similar thing over there. So 10 times 30 plus 10 times 7. 5 times 30. 5 times 7. So we'll get 300 plus 70. 150 plus 35. Add them together. Okay, 525. So we're going to now extend that as algebra terms. But let's say we've got x plus 2 and we're multiplying by x plus 1. Now, using the same idea, I start off with my first number and I'm multiplying it by the second lot of brackets. The second number times the second lot of brackets. And then I use my distributive law for both. So x times x times 1 plus 2 times x plus 2 times 1. X times x is x squared plus 1x plus 2x plus 2. Simplify the like terms, so x squared plus 3x plus 2. Okay, so it's applying what we know into something that we don't know yet. Something a little bit harder, let's say x plus 3, and let's say 2x plus 2. So let's start with our first x and multiply it by the second lot of brackets. The second number, the second lot of brackets. And then we have 2, so x times 2x, x times 2, and 3 times 2x plus 3 times 2. X times 2x is 2x squared. X times 2 is 2x. 6x and 6. And collecting like terms, we've got 2x squared plus 8x plus 6. Okay, so it's a useful tool to expand to lots of brackets. just gonna leave the video here. In the next section, I'll show you another method of working out expanding brackets.